Hey everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It. In one of my earlier videos, I was cutting out some octagons and had a little bit of trouble with how I set everything up. That kind of got lost in a much longer video, so I thought I would isolate it here and show you something to keep in mind to slow down when you're making these cuts. Y'all stick around. Still have the miter gauge at the 45. I think we're lined up pretty good there. I got my stop block set, so I should be able to cut, rotate, cut, rotate, just like that. This side looks pretty good, not perfect, but good. Then we've got this. That's not a hexagon. Well, I still have the right number of sides, but it's not a perfect hexagon or whatever. I don't remember geometry. So what happened is these two went fine, but then I twist the corner over to the stop block and it let it go over too far. So now I've got these short ones. So I've just marked up another one. I'm going to make the first two passes, then I'm going to adjust the stop block and make the next two. And just to illustrate again, the saw is off. So I came through there. That's fine. Then I turn it and I go in that much further. So I'm just going to have to cut two for every side, adjust, and then cut the other two. No big deal. Not exactly what I want, but pretty close. I'm just going to make some tiny adjustments like that. A little bit more. I think that'll do. That's much better, don't you think? And as far as fixing this one, it ought to just work. There we go. Well, I hope that helped you in some kind of way. If it did, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Y'all be good.